When your fully charged Dyson vacuum won't turn on, there are several key areas to check systematically. We'll walk through the most common causes and solutions. First, check the indicator lights on your Dyson. These lights provide specific diagnostic information. A red light typically indicates overheating or a battery problem. A blue light often means the battery is low or there's a blockage somewhere in the system. An amber light usually indicates the vacuum is too hot or too cold to operate safely. Next, inspect your vacuum for blockages. Dyson vacuums are designed to automatically shut down when airflow is restricted to protect the motor. Check the hose, wand connections, brush bar, cleaner head, and cyclone assembly. Remove any debris, hair, or objects that might be blocking the airflow pathways. Ensure your filter is correctly installed and clean. A clogged or improperly fitted filter can severely restrict airflow and prevent startup. The filter must be completely dry before reinstallation. Dyson recommends at least 24 hours of air drying. Make sure it clicks securely into place and shows no signs of damage. Finally, consider your battery's age and condition. Dyson batteries typically last 2 to 3 years depending on usage patterns. If your vacuum shows significantly reduced runtime, won't hold a charge, or cuts out frequently during use, the battery may need replacement. A genuine Dyson replacement battery ensures optimal performance and maintains your warranty. These 4 key areas, indicator lights, blockages, filter condition, and battery health, resolve most startup issues with Dyson vacuums. If your vacuum still won't start after checking these areas, more advanced diagnostics may be required. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Dyson vacuum issues, it's time for more advanced diagnostic checks and solutions. First, check the battery connection. Even if your vacuum appears charged, the battery may not be properly seated or making good electrical contact with the main unit. Listen carefully to your vacuum's sounds. Unusual noises like a boing sound or repetitive do-do-do noises often indicate motor problems that require professional attention. Proper filter maintenance is crucial. While washing the filter is essential, it must be completely dry before reinstalling. Dyson recommends air drying filters for at least 24 hours. For motor malfunctions or electrical issues, professional servicing is recommended. If your battery is old or not holding charge, replace it with a genuine Dyson battery to ensure proper function and maintain your warranty. Online resources offer guides for simple repairs, but proceed with caution and only attempt repairs you're comfortable with. Regular maintenance, including annual filter replacements, helps maintain peak performance and extends your vacuum's lifespan. Remember, advanced troubleshooting requires patience and attention to detail. When in doubt, consult professional service to avoid damaging your vacuum or voiding your warranty.